Welcome back in the CyberPanel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn how to install WordPress. So basically in our previous video we were able to add our domain name, and you can see it here, and so we can now proceed and install WordPress. So the first thing, we first of all access the admin dashboard. Here we are, and if you are not able to get to this stage, please refer to our video, our overview video, where we learned how to navigate to this admin dashboard. So once you are able to access this page, click on websites. Then we click on list website. Once we get to this page, click on manage. So basically we click on manage against the domain name that you want to install WordPress. So just scroll down. We have a section of application installer. So we basically click on this. We have the WP plus LS cache. So click on this option. So we are going to fill in some details. So for the blog title, let us set up dynamic technologies. The login user, have the admin, the password. Let us set up a password. For the email, let us have that as our email. Then the installation path. If you want to access this domain name and have your website display, which is the recommended, you just leave it as blank. But if you wish to install the WordPress on, say, a folder like WP, then include that here. But it's just recommended that you leave it as it is. Just leave it blank. So then click on install now. So just give it some time for the installation to complete. And in less than a minute, we have installed WordPress. Let us confirm that we are able to access it. And there we go. We have successfully installed WordPress on a domain added to CyberPanel. So let us confirm that we are able to access the admin dashboard. Then we have admin. Have our password, then click on login, and there we go. Then from this section you can proceed and customize your website as needed. And that marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.